This is without a doubt one of my favorite, most used EDC tools. It's the Milwaukee Fastback 3-in-1. This one has the razor blade, and I always find I use razor blades more than knives on a daily basis. And you can pop it out, pop a new one in really easily. And it's also got a cutter slot right there, so you can cut some cordage or strip some wires. It's got a really nice pocket clip. Never have a problem with this really falling out of my pocket. And it has extra blade storage in the handle that has a locking mechanism. I actually just keep a serrated blade in there. I like how it locks in place with a little liner lock. The bottle opener is probably one of the best bottle openers I've ever used on a multi-tool. It works extremely well and quick. But really, my favorite part about this multi-tool is the bit driver. And a lot of multi-tools just get this wrong, but it's centered and it locks in place. But the centering is really what makes this special because it's easy to use. It's like an actual driver handle. You just put your hand there and you can drive in and out whatever you need. It's got a 1/4-inch bit with a double-sided number 2 Phillips and a flathead. I actually use the flathead a lot more for like prying stuff, like getting like clips out in cars and stuff like that. It just eliminates the need to go grab like an actual screwdriver. And it gives you some pretty good reach, so it's not all bunched up on the tool, and the lock really makes it great. And the cool thing, it's got like a little indent. It doesn't lock, but it has an indent at 90 degrees, so you can get a little more torque on whatever you need to get. And then you just add one of these Galvanox flat bit driver sets. I like these better than the Leatherman because they're a lot cheaper, and they're double-sided, so you don't need 2 of them, and you get the same amount of bits. And like this T20 and T25 bit, it works really well on here. You just got to make sure it gets on the little ball indent so it doesn't fall out. But it fits in there really nicely. And then you got all of these bits, and you throw that in your EDC backpack for when you need some more bits. And also, you can do sockets if you get the right adapter, or get one of these Klein flip socket sets. I just have a 8 and a 10. Pretty common for what I use. Oh, and if you have one of these flip socket sets, you can take the sockets off, and then you have a magnetic pickup tool. It's not super long, but it might get you to where you need to go. And throw that in your EDC pack as well. It takes up like almost no room, because I'm not really a fan of the Leatherman bit drivers because they're just not centered. They're pretty awkward to use. But a setup like this is super inexpensive, and I never feel like I have to actually go get a regular screwdriver when I have this. It just works. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll leave links to everything in the description below.